Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add DNS records to GoDaddy. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to My Products. Find the domain where you want to add DNS records and click DNS. This will open the DNS settings page, where you can manage existing records and add new ones. If the DNS settings are grayed out, it is likely because your domain is using custom name servers. To fix this, change the name servers back to GoDaddy's default settings. Once updated, refresh the page, and you should now be able to add new records. To add a new record, click Add New Record and choose the record type. For example, if you are connecting your domain to Shopify, you may need to add an A record and a CNAME record. The required values will be provided by the platform you are connecting to. So that's basically how you can add DNS records to GoDaddy. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.